welcome to UG Entrance Examination by the 24/7. So today we're going to talk about the first day in Delhi University and about the orientation. So we have Vishal Devakar with us, जो कि एक बहुत ही होनहार स्टूडेंट है, and he got the famous college of Delhi University, which is Hindu, जो कि नॉर्थ कैंपस का कॉलेज है. और हम इनसे बात करेंगे और थोड़ा सा जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि विशाल देवाकर ने कैसा फील किया दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का पहला दिन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विशाल देवाकर, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू कि आपने जब 12th पास आउट किया था तो जो 12th रहा था उसमें आपकी स्ट्रीम कौन सी रही थी?
I'm from science background. I have physics, chemistry, maths, English, and physical education. Yeah.
Okay, so how you got developed your interest in this economics honors?
Because I think and I've experienced that this particular subject has a lot of wide opportunities in future. And actually, my aim is to go for UPSC. And since I have to be prepared with the backup plans also. So मुझे लगा कि eco honors अगर if I'll do it with in DU top college, so it will be very beneficial for me as the backup plan. So I decided to go for this.
True, completely true कि अगर आप दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के इतने अच्छे कॉलेज में जा रहे हो और वहां से अगर आप इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स कर रहे हो या कोई भी आप कोर्स कर रहे हो और अगर उस पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज में आप पढ़ रहे हो जहाँ के फैकल्टीज इतने अच्छे हैं, इतना अच्छा आपको कंटेंट वहां से मिल सकता है, सो डेफिनेटली आप अपनी एकेडमिक्स को बहुत अच्छे से कंप्लीट करते हो, अपना क्वालिफिकेशन बहुत अच्छा लेते हो. और अगर आप एक यूपीएससी का ड्रीम लेकर के चले हो तो आपके लिए ये उससे भी अच्छी बात हो सकती है. सो विशाल, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू कि देखो दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के इतने अच्छे कॉलेज में जाना वाज नेवर इजी फॉर एनीवन, राइट? तो अब आप यहाँ तक पहुंचे हो तो मैं थोड़ा सा आपसे ये भी पूछना चाहूंगी कि क्या आप मुझे बताओगे कि सीयूईटी में आपका कितना स्कोर रहा था?
My score was around 745, my normalized score.
Okay, so around how much percentile you have got there?
Ma'am, I got 98.7 approx percentile.
That's great. So it's completely true कि अगर आपको दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के किसी अच्छे कॉलेज में जाना है, स्पेशली फॉर नॉर्थ कैंपस, तो आपका 98, 99 और 100 परसेंटाइल के बीच में ही आपके एडमिशंस होते हैं, तभी आपको अच्छे कॉलेजेस मिलते हैं, जस्ट लाइक मिरांडा, राइट, एसआरसीसी, सेंट स्टीफन, इस तरह के कॉलेजेस में आपका एडमिशन होता है. सो बेसिकली हम यहाँ पर है टू टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट डे इन दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी. तो विशाल, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू कि आपका ओरिएंटेशन आई होप कि स्टार्ट हो चुका होगा. बहुत सारे दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के कॉलेजेस में ओरिएंटेशन स्टार्ट हो चुका है, सबकी ही डेट आ चुकी है ऑलमोस्ट, और दे आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दी क्लासेस आल्सो सून. तो आपका जो फर्स्ट डे था दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में, कैसा रहा आपका फीलिंग, या किस तरह की आप एक्सप्रेशन देना चाहोगे या फीलिंग देना चाहोगे हमें कि दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में कैसा लगा आपको जाकर के?
Ma'am, actually, Hindu College orientation was on 1st November.
Okay.
So when I entered in the college, it was like, wow. When I entered in the auditorium, and the Hindu College was actually conducting the orientation in the auditorium itself.
Okay.
So the teachers were really amazing. The faculty was really good. And the atmosphere was amazing. So कुछ बीच में बच्चे थोड़ा बोर हो रहे थे. So some big personalities was there.
But it happens.
Some one big personality came on the stage, and he also cracked some jokes to refreshes our mind.
Okay.
So it was really amazing. And then we reached to our respective departments. Okay. And there we got interacted with the seniors, juniors, and the teachers.
So
and the day was really amazing.
So I can say that your first step in Delhi University was like dream come true, because everyone is dreaming like that. So many students have applied for CUET, right? So the smile on your face is completely showing that you are really very happy while attending the session. Now I would like to ask कि आपका meeting रहा, teachers से रहा, seniors से रहा. So how was that meeting? कैसे हैं वहाँ के seniors, teachers? कैसा behavior है उनका, या किस तरह से आपको deal किया उन्होंने? I just wanna listen that.
Ma'am, actually, the teachers were really cooperative. Okay. On the first day they introduced themselves, and even the seniors. The best part is seniors was really cool.
Okay.
Like they are treating us like we are their classmates.
Wow.
So one of them was like comedian, the seniors vice president of the economics department, and he did a stand up in the class itself. So it was really amazing. and yeah, I'm looking forward to have a great life for 4 years ahead in the Hindu college.
Oh, that's great. So students, you can listen this कि कितना amazing होता है. It's so amazing when you hear that your seniors are just treating you as your friend or they are like very very mingled with you or very friendly with you. I feel that कि कितना अच्छा लग रहा होगा दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के एक बड़े से कॉलेज में जा करके आपको ऐसा फील ना होना that you are from some other part, कहीं और से आए हो आप और आप किसी को जानते नहीं हो, right? I think this was
Yes,
the feeling, right? सो विशाल,
yes,
दैट्स कंप्लीटली ग्रेट, लेकिन मैं कुछ और चीजें भी पूछना चाहूंगी बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग जो एक छोटा सा पार्ट है, फैकल्टी इंटरेक्शन ये वो. दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी मन में क्वेरीज आती हैं बच्चों को, सो मेनी क्वेरीज, राइट? अभी बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो फर्स्ट राउंड सेकंड राउंड में सीट एलोकेशन का पार्ट बन रहे हैं. हो सकता है थर्ड राउंड में भी कुछ लोग गए हो अपग्रेडेशन के
जी,
पास, या ऐसा भी हो सकता है फर्स्ट राउंड सेकंड राउंड में बच्चों को सीट्स ना मिली हो, वो थर्ड राउंड में एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो कि उनको सीट मिलेगी. सो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं बच्चों के दिमाग में. एक क्वेश्चन जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट स्टूडेंट्स का आ रहा था जो फर्स्ट राउंड से अपग्रेड होकर के सेकंड राउंड में गए थे, तो दे आर फीलिंग लाइक कि कोई मुझे ये बता दे कि फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन में क्या होता है. आई होप कि आपका फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन जरूर हुआ होगा. सो कैन यू टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन की किस तरीके से किया गया था वो?
ma'am. Actually, physical verification has not been done yet in the
ओके.
college.
ओके.
So maybe the management will take care of this in later stages. But
ओके.
since now it has not been done in the college.
अच्छा, so do they have any plan or have they said anything about this particular part,
No,
physical
no,
orient? Okay,
no, ma'am.
physical.
They no, no.
They
They
didn't.
they
Okay.
don't have sent anything about like physical
Okay,
verification.
okay. So that means it is also a necessary part and they'll do it later. But first of all, they are focused on orientation that student can come and know about the colleges, that which kind of departments are there, how the teachers are there, and how the things are going on. So have they discussed something is like syllabus का discussion आपसे किया हो? अभी GE के बारे में बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा confused हैं, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा आप discuss कर सकते हो if they have discussed it with you in orientation.
Yes, ma'am. The syllabus was really clear. Actually, teachers ने काफी clear कर दिया था syllabus, but we are not fully aware as of now. But yeah, they've given us provided us a lot of details about the syllabus, and I'm going through it, going through the syllabus and doing the exercises of respective respective subjects.
Okay.
And हाँ, ये अभी तक तो इतना ही है.
So syllabus is just like orientation में we have got some of the ideas but not fully people are aware. See, it's like that we are going to the college and we are seeing a lot of things. So everything is not like that कि everything will be there in our mind, right? So yeah, we'll discuss about this also. But ये जो GE का confusion है आप लोगों का, उसके लिए काफी सारी पीडीएफ्स प्रोवाइड करी हैं. अगर आपका कोई भी पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज, आपको कोई भी कॉलेज मिला है, लाइक हंसराज मिला हुआ है, सेंट स्टीफन मिला हुआ है, तो आप उस कॉलेज के वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे, सो यू विल गेट द पीडीएफ और यू विल गेट द कंप्लीट नोटिस अबाउट दैट कि उन्होंने सब कुछ बताया हुआ है कि किस तरीके से आपके मल्टीपल पार्ट्स इसका पार्ट बनने वाले हैं, सिलेबस में आने वाले हैं, और किस तरीके से उसमें कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट हैं जो आपको चूज करने. सो विल हैव अ डिस्कशन ऑन दिस आल्सो एज पर. या
Ma'am, actually, GE के subjects really matters a lot.
I think it will be different from the one which you have choose as your course, right?
Yeah. Different.
So definitely we will talk about this also, but yeah, this is something which is really very necessary also because this will be added as a credit score of your first
Yes.
semester or second semester, right? So this is also an important part for which we'll come up with a video. Now, see Vishal, there are so many students who will listen you and they are going to be having a lot of ideas from you that how DU is going to be for them, right? So now the biggest problem which comes for the student is that कि भाई हम दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी जा रहे हैं, ठीक है. सबसे पहले तो मैं पूछना चाहूंगी वेयर डू यू पुट अप, और आप कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हो?
Ma'am, actually, I'm from Agra, Uttar
Okay.
Pradesh.
सो दैट इज कंप्लीटली आउट ऑफ आई वुड से दिल्ली. तो आपको यहाँ पे इन्होंने हॉस्टल फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करी है दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी ने?
Yes, ma'am. Boys and the girls hostel are there in the campus, but boys hostel अभी renovate हो रहा है. It is under the process, but girls hostel is there. Yeah.
Okay, so how you will be there, like what you are thinking of, कैसे रहोगे आप, कैसे मैनेज करोगे, कुछ प्लान्स हैं आपके पास, कुछ
Yes,
डिसाइड
ma'am.
किया आपने?
Yes, ma'am. I've got the PG there in Kamla Nagar, so
Okay.
I'll be taking class from there only.
Okay, so it is just like that. There are 20 colleges of Delhi University which provide actually hostel facility, जिसका हम लोगों ने सेशन भी लिया हुआ था. And I feel कि जो आसपास वाले बच्चे हैं उनके लिए हॉस्टल फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड नहीं करी गई है, लेकिन जो दूर से आने वाले स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड जरूर करी गई हैं. विशाल, एक और क्वेश्चन आई विल आस्क यू कि कुछ आप बता सकते हैं कि हॉस्टल फीस के बारे में, लाइक कितनी फीस होगी आपका, कुछ इस पे क्या थॉट है, आपने कुछ पता किया है आसपास से?
Yes, if you're looking for a decent PG or a room, maybe it's, if I'll talk about PG specifically. So if I'm looking for a decent PG, it will cost you around 12 to 15,000.
Really?
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
ma'am. 12 to 15,000 in Kamla Nagar. It is really expensive. My PG was around 14.5k per
It
month.
will. If you are going for North Campus, so definitely the hostels are going to be costly. So yeah, that is the issue, that problem which can be faced by students definitely. Vishal, I would like to ask one another question for you. When you came to Delhi, because आप आगरा से आए हो, तो when you came to Delhi, so do you face any issues like travel issues, or like there was no one with you, you were all alone? So what kind of process was there with you when you came here?
No, ma'am. Actually, the process was smooth.
Okay,
My parents came up with me,
that's great.
and they are even rested there for 2 to 3 days. And वो अभी यहीं पर ही हैं, अभी जाएंगे actually.
So in the orientation program, have they discussed that when they are going to start the classes? Because see, the notices which are coming out now, so it is just like that. In the second week of November, they will start their classes. What about your college? When they are going to start the classes?
Ma'am, they have started the classes on 2nd November.
2nd November, they have
Yes,
started.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
They have started.
Okay. And have
I'm
you
going
attended?
on Monday actually. Yes, ma'am. I've attended 3 to 4 classes.
Okay. So how was your experience of classes?
Ma'am, amazing. The class tent was full actually.
Okay.
And the teachers are like they are the time is less actually.
Okay.
If we'll compare to the last year, the time is less, so we
What
have
was
to
the timing, and how much? How was the strength? Like how many students were there, and what was the class timing?
around 70 students were present in my class.
Okay.
And the timing, the class started on 9:50 to
Okay.
10:50,
Okay.
and then
Near about 1 hour.
10:50 to 11:50. Yeah,
Okay, near
near
about 1 hour
about
classes,
1
right?
hour, 1 hour. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, okay, that's great. So, how was your like mates? Like, there were so many students. So, do you have any interaction with them? How were they? How was your interaction? Because that was the first day of yours.
Ma'am, actually, I've got 2 to 3 friends there on the first day itself.
Oh, wow, great.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
One of them was from Agra.
Okay, that's why you got
Yes,
your
ma'am. And
touch.
yes, ma'am. The classmates was really good. The classmates were
Okay.
really good.
Okay, that means he is having a very great feeling over there. और अगर आप भी friendly हो just like विशाल, तो आपके भी friends काफी अच्छे बन सकते हैं. और जिस तरह का environment या आप बोल सकते हो atmosphere दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी आपको provide करता है, I feel that it will be easy and easy for you to interact with the people, to interact with the students. And I believe that if you are a personality now who is shy kind of, if you spend 3 years of yours there, or I would say I don't spend it, I would say if you invest your 3 years over there, I believe that you will be a confident personality after coming out from the Delhi University, right? So that was great interaction with you, Vishal. But I would definitely ask some of the strategies, because now you are in Delhi University and you are actually a motivational personality for all the students जो कि Delhi University जाने का सपना देखते हैं. Of course 23 का बैच भी आएगा, तो उनके लिए भी आप एक मेंटोर हो. तो आप क्या कहना चाहोगे, जितना परसेंटाइल आपने लिया है या आप लेकर के हिंदू कॉलेज पहुंचे हो, आप क्या सजेस्ट करना चाहते हो? कुछ प्रेपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजीज, और किस तरीके से पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए कि बच्चा अपने ड्रीम कॉलेज तक पहुंच जाए?
Actually, the most satisfied answer for this question could be that stick to NCRTs.
Okay.
And if and practice a lot. Only stick to NCRT. And if you're referring any other book, go through it. I'm not saying don't go through it. Go through it, but specifically, I'm saying stick to NCRTs a more, and work on your speed, because it's all about speed management, time management. It will and the in math paper specifically, अगर maths की बात करूँ मैं, तो maths में काफी time management में problem हो सकती है. So you have to work on time management, and you can take Adda 24/7 batch also. It's
Okay.
really helpful, and
So
it's really helpful.
you were
They
the part
provide.
of paid batch?
Yes, ma'am. I was part of the
Okay,
paid batch
that's
crash
great.
course.
That's great. So how much it was helpful?
Ma'am, it was really helpful. The teachers was really good,
Okay, that's great.
especially you and Shashank sir.
Oh wow, that's great. The smile on your face is real, na. So I just want to say that it is something which comes out now when you are pure at your heart. That comes on your face. That how your reaction will be on something when a question comes to you, right? So the smile on your face is just showing that yeah, you are actually really very happy. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
would definitely say that congratulations, Vishal, that you have got such a great college, जिसको
Thank
literally
you.
लोग dream करते हैं, and आपने and first attempt you got that. So at last, because this is just the ending of, I just want to interact more because I
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
so great. This is my first interaction with you face to face. Like I want you also to come here in Adda 24/7 so that we can do a felicitation with you. मैं अभी लास्ट में एक छोटा सा और एक बात आपसे कहना चाहती हूँ कि जो आप कर रहे हो वो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो. इट्स कम्प्लीटली ग्रेट. ऑफ कोर्स यू आर अ मोटिवेशनल पर्सनालिटी एज आई अर्लियर टोल्ड यू ऑल्सो कि आप एक बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग पर्सनालिटी हो दूसरों के लिए, क्योंकि आप जिस जगह पे अभी गए हो वो बहुत अच्छा है. एंड आई वांट कि आपका और जो फ्यूचर है वो और अच्छा हो. आप जो ड्रीम कर रहे हो, जस्ट लाइक यू आर ड्रीमिंग फॉर यूपीएससी, आई बिलीव जिस तरह की मेहनत, हार्डवर्क, जिस तरह के एंडेवर आप रखते हो, डेफिनेटली यू विल be going to that field also. और definitely आप selection लोगे, but as you know, people believe in results, so I want to see that
Sure.
result in future, and I
Sure, ma'am.
literally expect from you a lot कि मुझे लगता है कि आप करोगे. जहाँ यहाँ तक पहुंचे हो तो डेफिनेटली आगे भी बहुत अच्छा करने वाले हो. बट एट लास्ट मैं चाहूंगी थोड़े से कुछ मोटिवेशनल वर्ड्स फॉर ऑल दी स्टूडेंट्स जो अभी आपको वॉच कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
पर अपनी मेहनत पे भरोसा रखिए. You'll get the result. Maybe not in the earlier stages, but in later stages you'll definitely get the result. And मेहनत पे भरोसा कीजिए. Consistently work कीजिए on your skills as well as on your studies, and you'll definitely get the results. Don't worry about it.
So it was a great interaction with you, विशाल. बहुत बहुत
Thank you,
ज्यादा
ma'am.
अच्छा लगा. एंड आई बिलीव कि आप सभी जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स वॉच कर रहे होंगे विशाल को सुन रहे होंगे, आई बिलीव कि उनको भी काफी ज्यादा हेल्प मिली होगी काफी सारी चीजों में. आपको कैसा लगा ये इंटरेक्शन? प्लीज डू टेल अस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन ऑल्सो. सो बाय बाय एवरीवन, टेक केयर, and God bless you everyone, and God bless you Vishal too.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.